ICSE 2025 students, your exams are near, and if you want a 99% guarantee in history and civics, this is the only video you need. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the most important topics, last-minute tricks, and secret tips to score top marks. So stay till the end. Before we begin, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more exam tips. Let's get started. Section A, Civics, most important topics. First up, Civics. This section is all about facts and direct answers. Focus on these. 1. The Union Legislature, Parliament. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, composition, term, qualifications. Parliamentary procedures. Quorum, question hour, no confidence motion. Powers of Parliament, legislative, financial, judicial, executive control. Speaker of Lok Sabha, election and functions. 2. The Union Executive. The President, election, powers, emergency, legislative, financial. The Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, role, powers, difference between Cabinet and Council of Ministers. 3. The Judiciary. Supreme Court and High Court, composition, judges' appointment. Jurisdiction, original, appellate, judicial review, writs, lock-adelats, meaning and advantages. Revise these and you're set for civics. Now let's move to the most scoring section, history. Section B, history, most important topics. History is all about events, causes, and consequences. These are your must-know topics. 1. First War of Independence, 1857. Causes political, socio-religious, economic, military. Consequences, British reforms and Indian nationalism. 2. Growth of nationalism and Indian National Congress. Role of Raja Ram Mohan Roy and press. Partition of Bengal, 1905. Surat Split, 1907. Objectives and methods of moderates and extremists. Muslim League and Lucknow Pact, 1916. 3. Gandhian era and national movements. Non-cooperation movement, causes Jallianwala Bagh Rowlatt Act. Suspension. Civil disobedience movement, Dandi March, Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Quit India movement, 1942. Causes impact. Subhash Chandra Bose and Nayane. 4. Independence and partition. Cabinet Mission Plan, Mountbatten Plan. Indian Independence Act, 1947. 5. World Wars and International Relations. World War I, causes nationalism, imperialism, Treaty of Versailles. Rise of dictatorships, fascism, Mussolini versus Nazism, Hitler. World War II, causes Hitler's invasion, failure of League of Nations. United Nations UN, General Assembly Security Council, ICSE. Non-aligned movement, NAM. Role of Nehru and Panchashil. If you study these topics, at least 90% of the paper will be from this list. Now, let's talk about last-minute tricks to boost your score. Last-minute exam strategy, top marks. Now listen carefully. These hacks will help you write better answers and finish your paper on time. 1. Answer writing strategy. Civics. Write direct, to-the-point answers with headings and points. History. Use causes, events, consequences format. Highlight important names, years, and keywords. 2. Quick revision plan. Use short notes and flowcharts. Solve last 10 years. ICSE papers. Practice structured answers with time limit. 3. Secret tip for 99% plus. First, answer the easiest questions to save time. Underline key facts for extra marks. Use mnemonics to remember long answers. ICSE 2025 students, if you follow this plan, your 97% plus is guaranteed. But remember, just reading isn't enough. You need to practice writing answers. If this helped you, like and share this with your friends. Comment below if you need quick notes for any topic. All the best for your exams. You got this.